My name is Obadare Peter Dewale. I'm the co-founder of Digital Encode Limited, a cybersecurity consulting firm. Well, I got to know about Ogbo coaching class last year. I attended for the very first time last year, and it was very impactful. This year, I actually made it a point of duty to attend this year. In fact, I was looking forward to the class, and to be honest with you, I was not disappointed at all. I think my recommendation to everyone out there is, if you are deliberate about making an impact in your life, you want to take your career, your profession, your business to the next level, I would recommend Ogbo's executive coaching class to everyone. The good thing about the coaching class is the localization of knowledge. Yes, we all go abroad. We go to so many different Ivy League schools, to learn new ideas and new things. But with Ogbo class, what I can say is unique about the class is the localization of knowledge. You'll be able to learn new things that will make you thrive within your environment. Thank you very much.